agenda. Get this out. We got a new unit. So we've already got rid of a bunch of stuff. People have been coming for the past couple days and just grabbing whatever they bought. But this is it. It smells like straight fiberglass in here. We've got a bunch of stuff still left over. S14 stuff, Zenki Koki, 180 stuff, 13 coupe stuff, Silvia. We got a bunch of roof wings, trunk wings, under panels, combat lights. Anything fiberglass, we got it. But it's going quick, so after this video, I'm pretty sure a lot of it's gonna be gone. So if you guys wanna hit us up at Barron's Garage, DM us there and inquire on any of these parts, and we'll let you know if we got them in stock. I kind of just want to go through some of the stuff in detail that I got. This actually was not from the container. This is from VR Wheels, but I found them in my storage. I totally forgot about them. I was going to switch them out for the equips. Let's go to the trailer and look at the little stuff I have. Don't mind the trash. I had nowhere else to put this stuff. I bought side skirts apparently like 6 months ago and totally forgot. If you guys want them, $250. They're for S14s. We went a little overboard with the wheels this time. There's just so many good deals. I came across 8 T37s. I haven't even opened these yet. I don't know what they are. Those are the T7R 2-piece. Oh, there's the other pair. These were supposed to be for the Hachi, and I bought them and didn't realize they're freaking 5x114. So that's why I ended up getting those. These. Look how small these Meisters are. These would have been gangster on the Hachi, but I think the old school look goes better. Hey, what are you doing? Yo, what are you doing? Coda's about to put a new hood on his car. Hey, that's yours, right? Okay. Let me see it. Hey, put it on the van. Woo! T37 Vs. This is insane. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I got myself into. A lot of these I bought like quite a while ago, so I forgot I even bought them. But I haven't even sold any of my other wheels, so this just adds on to the wheel hoarder collection.
You don't even have anywhere to put these wheels.
These are gonna go in a safe in my room. I'm probably gonna sell some of them, to be honest. The Advans will probably be sold.
I'm pretty sure you don't need 8 TEs.
I don't. I need 4 though. Wait, I still have 4 though, so that leaves me with 8. The T7R 2-piece, these are probably gonna be sold. These are going on the 11. We'll post a picture of the 11. That's gonna be sick. These I just got for burners, so me and Gabe are just gonna switch off using these 1811 TE37s. Those are probably gonna go on the 180 that we're gonna go pick up right now. Container was way too packed to fit the 180, so we're gonna pick that up. Probably gonna put those wheels on it. And I was gonna put these on the FD. I'm not too sure how I feel about them. I might just put the Blitz on them, we'll see.
Blitz on the FD, bro? Oh.
Nothing new here.
We're gonna go do a lot of things today.
Hey, do you sleep with your belly down on that thing?
Yeah, no. I'm gonna go sleep or watch some Netflix while Josh drives.
We gotta go grab some car parts and a car. We brought in a 180 from this container, so we gotta go pick it up. It came in on another container actually, at Original Auto, so we'll go do that. We have arrived. Saw a lot of cool cars coming in. I wonder if they'll let us film them. I don't know what this is, but it says, please take to original auto when you get the 180SX. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trading side skirts for a 180SX. Oh, I see a 34 GTR.
Look at the NSX.
Oh, that is an NSX.
32.
Oh, Gary's car's here. What are you doing here, Gary? VQ and S14. That's a 350Z motor.
Oh, really?
Hachi, dude. Another V-Spec 32. Dang, you don't want this carbon wrap fender though, dog. It's not that bad.
It's like looking at my car.
It's like the 180 at the land. You guys remember the 180 at the land?
No, dude, this is like my car originally.
Yeah, this is how Gabe's race car looked like when we first bought it. The black and green car. It was the same color, dude. All stock, pig nose front, but just had SR.
Yeah.
So this one is a CA18DET. It's a real 180. And my fucking CA. Ever seen a Nissan key like that? That's kind of cool. Only 111,000. That's like what, 65,000 miles or something. This will be for sale. We're gonna go drop it off to West Jones Auto. Get a little paint refresh, and interior honestly is not bad at all. Seats are nice, no rips. Just needs
32 grand, bro?
Yeah, 32,000 guys. You guys want a GTR? It's only $180,000.
Look at this Pulsar, Josh.
The clips with the bolts.
This goes hard. Toge monster.
Dang, this thing's tight.
You know there's an SR in it,
Why
right?
are they all freaking TEs, bro?
Everything is
Everything.
TE. Look, you want one of these, Jordan? This looks like a little car. I'm sure these are really expensive. God, 5 hours later, we're
going to grab
aha!
my rear bumper.
Holy crap, that thing is sick. What's up, boss? I'm here for it.
Yes, sir.
That's the one right there for you. Let's see how it fits.
It's perfect, dude. Yeah, perfect.
We just so happen to have a 180 on the trailer. Oh dang, this is jam. Just hug it. Yeah, this thing's not too bad, dude. I mean, bumper needs a new paint. I don't know what's underneath this. I don't know why you would do this.
That car is fighting.
Freaking sick, right? Yeah, I'll show you my freaking wrecked bumper. $1,000 bumper.
Yes, now.
I'm not missing anything, I don't think. I think just this, but I don't really care for it.
That's so easy. Alright. Put fenders on this one? On this one? Yeah. Hey. Yeah, it's all metal.
This thing.
setup used to be on an NSX.
This thing's hard.
Oh, dang. Yeah, this thing is one of my favorite builds.
Is this on bags?
No, static.
Whew. Hard.
That's why he's always at Eric's.
Yeah, no, I had Sergio make me a cage for this thing.
Oh, no way.
Yeah,
he did that?
Yeah, he did all that for me. So we just gotta paint it. We're gonna paint the calipers and just fix, I think, this fender.
So we scored 2 strands just for backup. Look at that, dude. Yeah. He said if they're broken, then he'll give us the money back. Yeah.
8:01 p.m. another one.
How much did you want for it? 250? 250. Okay. And this is the one with the 90,000?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna go pull up on some car meet. Leah went to go get diapers and she's like, hey, there's a bunch of like cars here. It's like, it's pretty lame though. And I'm like, I'm gonna show up just for fun.
It's 11 p.m., bro.
Let's go. She said there's like lifted trucks and Hondas and Chargers. I'm like,
That's weird.
what kind of car meets do we have here, bro? People are just confused. Maybe turn on lights. You want the lights on? Can't even see the road, bro. Holy crap, this car is dangerous. Is there even a me? Nice meet, Leah. Where is she? Where'd she go? Oh,
They're
there.
good.
Sick meet, babe. This is freaking sick. Car meet fail, thumbnail. 1 Honda, 2 Chargers.
No, I said Josh.
Thanks for the invite, Leah.
It's the thought that counts,
I
babe.
said Josh, there's a bunch of Honda boys and like lifted.
There's one Honda.
lifted-
There's one Honda.
There's like no, there's 2.
It's a bunch. 2 is a bunch, guys.
No, I think there was a car meet earlier though. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, they're leaving. See, everybody's leaving.
This is a great video for YouTube. Showed up to the best car meet of 2021. You know what? I'm just gonna go home and grab my Supra and my 180 and then I'll make our own little car meet.
Yeah, just a B-roll here.
I don't want to B-roll right now, bro.
Sick B-roll, Jordan. It's not even worth it anymore.
Hey, B-roll my carbon bonnet.
We've got shots fired, shots fired. That's pretty funny though. That's some comedy content right there. This is what Kyosozoku is.
Coilovers for my 240.
Is D-Max better than PVM?
My opinion.
So I lowered the front and the rears. I might need to lower the front a little bit more. I'm gonna attach the kit right now. The wing on, front wing. Let's see how it turns out. There you go, guys. Roof wing, trunk wing, lower side skirts, front lip. Borrow Josh's wheels for now.
Tell it's carbon on a black car.
It looks so nice, dude.
Alright, I gotta go to storage real quick. Tommy just pulls up in an S15 casually. This is the 15 I was in Booty Hustler's garage when I bought the 34. It's all running, huh? What's your name again? David?
Yeah.
This is David.
Hopefully we'll get that done soon.
Must be nice, dude. I want mine so bad. Got like 3 more years. The homie came through with the merch. I didn't even notice it, dude. I'm just trying to convince David to just sell me the 15. I got a coming in. I'm so juiced. I'm trying to make a deal with him right now to do somewhat of a cash on top trade for the 15. Just sell the 15 I had in Japan and just stun a 15 out here, the 2J swap. So David, if you're watching this, bro, I'm serious. I will see you soon. I need that car.